Hi friends, today we are going to practice a Python program to check whether the number is a palindrome or not. Initially, we need to take a variable num is equal to int of input of enter a number okay. Next, we need to calculate the reverse of that number underscore otherwise reverse underscore num is equal to, first of all we need to apply the string operation on the num, str of num, to make modifications on the digits. Next, we need to apply a slicing operation to reverse the number. After that, we need to convert this string into integer by using int command. Okay. Next, we need to check whether the number and the reverse number are same or not. For that, if is equal to if num double equal to reverse underscore num print f. Here we are using a floating string. In floating strings, whatever the expression present in the curly braces, we evaluate in the runtime. Here we are using num is a palindrome. Okay. Next, else command, else print is not a palindrome. Okay. After that, we need to execute with the help of shift enter. After that, we need to give some input number. Okay, is a palindrome. 23432 is a palindrome. Next, again execute this one. Here 3342 is not a palindrome. Thank you, friends.